विशाखापट्टनम के सीमांचल जमीन का तनाज़ा सुलझ गया है। 3 दहाइयों से ये मामला ज़ेरे इल्तवा था। फरीक़ैन ने अदालती मुकदमात वापस लेने से इत्तेफाक किया। सिम्हाचलम मंदिर के ट्रस्टी मुतबादिल ज़मीन लेने को तैयार राज़ी हो चुके हैं और चीफ मिनिस्टर नारा चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने आज रेवेन्यू और सिम्हाचल देवस्थानम अराजी से मुतल्लिक़ 5 दही इलाकों के मसले पर एक जायज़ा मीटिंग की। रियासती वज़रा श्री रमना नारायण रेड्डी, श्री अनगानी सत्या प्रसाद, आला अहदेदार और मुश्तरका विशाखापट्टनम ज़िले के अवामी नुमाइंदों ने इस जायज़ा मीटिंग में शिरकत की। रियासती वज़ीर सत्य प्रसाद ने कहा कि 12,149 ख़ानदानों ने सिम्हाचलम की ज़मीनों पर कब्जा करके घर बनाए हैं और सभी को रेगुलराइज करने का फैसला किया गया है। उन्होंने कहा कि जहां चंदन के दरख्त उगाने का इम्कान होगा वहां मंदिर को ज़मीन दी जाएगी।
You know, our government has been thinking about resolving all the land issues which have been pending in this state from last 7 months, because the previous government, which has really dealt the land issues in a very wrong way, the people, poor people basically, are facing a lot of problems. So after a great study on the some GOs, we have come out with a discussion today, and we have, as a result, we are planning to resolve the issue which has been pending from last decades. That is Simhachalam lands, which has been in the endowments from long time, which has been given by the Rajas of Vijayanagaram. After discussing with Ashok Gajbir Rajgar, the chairman of the hereditary chairman of that particular Samsthanam, and also our endowments minister, who has taken as a proactive mode on the instruction of the progressive Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, we have resolved the issue by giving them alternate land which is more expensive than the existing land, by thus regularizing the 12,000 change households. That has been really big means it's an immense this thing, because people of 12,000 families have been suffering without even small permission to be given for repairs for a small this thing, or even electricity connections.